From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed at the stars and wondered about our place in the cosmos. The night sky, with its twinkling stars and vast expanse, has always been a source of inspiration and mystery. Ancient civilizations built monuments aligned with celestial bodies, and philosophers pondered the nature of the universe. This innate curiosity has driven us to explore not just the heavens, but the very essence of our existence. We are a species driven by curiosity, a thirst for knowledge that has propelled us to explore the farthest reaches of our planet and beyond. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the highest mountains and even into the void of space, our quest for understanding knows no bounds. This relentless pursuit has led to groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements that have transformed our world. Today, that same thirst for knowledge can be quenched right in the comfort of our own homes. With the advent of the internet and digital technology, we have unprecedented access to information. Online courses, virtual classrooms, and digital libraries have made it possible for anyone, anywhere, to learn about virtually any subject. Whether you're interested in history, science, art, or technology, the resources are readily available at your fingertips. The universe of information is at our fingertips, accessible through the marvels of modern technology. Smartphones, tablets, and computers have become our portals to this vast repository of knowledge. With just a few clicks or taps, we can access articles, videos, podcasts, and interactive content that enrich our understanding and broaden our horizons. The digital age has democratized education, making it more accessible and inclusive than ever before. We no longer need to travel to distant libraries or consult dusty tomes to unlock the secrets of the world. Virtual libraries and digital archives have brought the world's knowledge to our screens. Ancient manuscripts, rare books, and historical documents that were once out of reach are now available for anyone to explore. This digital transformation has preserved invaluable knowledge and made it accessible to future generations. A wealth of knowledge, from the ancient wisdom of philosophers to the latest scientific discoveries, is just a click away. Online platforms offer courses from prestigious universities, lectures from renowned experts, and interactive simulations that make learning engaging and immersive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner, the digital world offers endless opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. But to truly embark on a journey of learning, we need more than just access to information. We need the right environment that nurtures our curiosity and supports our educational endeavours. A well-designed study space can make a significant difference in our ability to focus, absorb information, and stay motivated. It's not just about having a desk and a chair. It's about creating a space that resonates with our personal learning style and preferences. We need a dedicated space, a launch pad, from which we can explore the vast expanse of knowledge. This space should be free from distractions, well organized, and equipped with the tools and resources we need to succeed. It should be a place where we can immerse ourselves in our studies, think critically, and engage deeply with the material. A thoughtfully designed study space can inspire creativity, enhance productivity, and foster a love for learning. A space that inspires curiosity, fosters focus, and allows us to delve deep into the subjects that ignite our passions. Personal touches such as artwork, plants, and meaningful objects can make the space feel inviting and motivating. Good lighting, comfortable seating, and a clutter-free environment can enhance our concentration and well-being. By creating a study space that reflects our interests and aspirations, we can cultivate a positive and productive learning experience. This is the importance of creating a dedicated learning environment at home. It's about more than just functionality. It's about creating a space that inspires and empowers us. A well-designed study area can help us establish a routine, set goals, and stay committed to our educational journey. It can serve as a constant reminder of our dedication to personal growth and intellectual development. It's about designing a space that is not just functional but also inspiring. A space that reflects our thirst for knowledge and empowers us to reach for the stars. In this sanctuary of learning, we can dream big, explore new ideas, and push the boundaries of our understanding. By investing in our learning environment, we invest in ourselves and our future. So let's create spaces that inspire us to learn, grow, and achieve our fullest potential. Imagine trying to explore the cosmos in a rickety spaceship with flickering lights and malfunctioning controls. The very thought of it is daunting, isn't it? The journey would be fraught with challenges, and every moment would be a struggle to keep things in order. Your journey would be, at best, uncomfortable and, at worst, disastrous. You'd be constantly distracted by the need to fix things, unable to focus on the wonders of the universe around you. The same principle applies to learning. A cluttered, distracting environment is like a broken spaceship for the mind. It pulls your attention away from the task at hand, making it difficult to concentrate and absorb new information. It hinders our ability to focus, stifles creativity, and makes the journey of learning feel like an uphill battle. Imagine trying to solve complex problems or come up with innovative ideas in such a chaotic setting. It's nearly impossible. On the other hand, a dedicated learning space is like a state-of-the-art spacecraft, equipped with everything we need to navigate the cosmos of knowledge. It's a place where everything is in its right place, and the environment is tailored to support our learning endeavors. A dedicated learning space is not just about having a desk and a chair. It's about creating a sanctuary for the mind, a place where we can retreat from the chaos of the outside world and focus entirely on our studies. It's about creating an environment that is conducive to learning, a space where we can shut out distractions and fully immerse ourselves in the subject at hand. This means choosing a location that is quiet and free from interruptions and setting it up in a way that minimizes distractions. It's about designing a space that is both physically and mentally stimulating, a space that inspires us to learn, grow, and expand our horizons. This could involve adding elements that spark creativity, such as artwork, plants, or even a vision board with your goals and aspirations. Whether it's a quiet corner in the living room, a spare bedroom transformed into a home office, or even a comfortable armchair bathed in the warm glow of a reading lamp, the key is to make it a place where you feel comfortable and motivated to learn. A dedicated learning space is essential for anyone who is serious about pursuing knowledge and unlocking their full potential. It's an investment in your future, a commitment to your personal and intellectual growth. So take the time to create a space that supports your learning journey and watch as your ability to focus, create and achieve your goals soars to new heights. Start by organizing your desk, ensuring that all your materials are within easy reach. Consider the lighting in your space. Natural light is best, but if that's not an option, make sure you have a good quality lamp that provides ample light without causing strain on your eyes. Add personal touches that make the space your own. This could be anything from a favorite quote framed on the wall to a cozy blanket draped over your chair. The goal is to create a space that feels inviting and conducive to long periods of study. Remember, the environment you create can have a profound impact on your ability to learn and retain information. A well-organized, thoughtfully designed learning space can make all the difference in your educational journey. So take the time to set up your dedicated learning space. Your future self will thank you as you achieve your goals and celebrate your successes in an environment that truly supports your learning. In the 21st century, technology has become an indispensable tool for learning. It has woven itself into the very fabric of our educational systems, transforming the way we acquire knowledge and skills. Like the telescopes that allow us to peer deep into the cosmos, revealing the mysteries of distant galaxies and stars, computers, tablets and smartphones have opened up new worlds of knowledge and opportunity. These devices are not just tools, they are gateways to a universe of information, enabling us to explore subjects that were once out of reach. The internet in particular has revolutionized the way we learn. It has become a vast repository of human knowledge, a digital library that is constantly expanding and evolving. It has democratized access to information, making it possible for anyone with an internet connection to learn about virtually any subject imaginable. From the comfort of our homes, We can delve into the depths of history, unravel the complexities of science, or master new languages. Online courses, virtual libraries, educational videos, and interactive simulations have transformed the learning landscape, making education more accessible, engaging, and personalized than ever before. These resources cater to different learning styles, allowing individuals to learn in ways that suit them best. But technology is not just about accessing information, it's also about connecting with others. It has broken down geographical barriers, enabling us to communicate and collaborate with people from all corners of the globe. Online forums, discussion boards, and social media platforms provide opportunities for learners to interact with peers, share ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. These virtual communities foster a sense of belonging and support, making the learning process more enriching and enjoyable. Technology has become an integral part of the modern learning experience. It has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, enhancing the way we absorb and apply knowledge. It has empowered us to learn at our own pace, explore our interests in depth, and connect with a global community of learners. Whether we are pursuing formal education or indulging in personal interests, technology provides the tools and platforms to support our educational journeys. By embracing technology, we can unlock the full potential of our learning environments and embark on a lifelong journey of discovery. The possibilities are endless, and the future of education is brighter than ever, thanks to the advancements in technology that continue to shape and redefine the way we learn. Creating a productive learning environment at home doesn't require a complete home renovation. It's about making smart choices and incorporating simple elements that can significantly impact your learning experience. First, consider the location. Ideally, your learning space should be in a quiet area of your home, away from distractions like television, household noise, or high-traffic areas. Natural light is a bonus, as it can boost your mood and energy levels. Next, choose furniture that promotes good posture and comfort. An ergonomic chair that provides adequate back support is crucial, especially if you spend long hours studying or working. A desk with ample workspace is also essential, allowing you to spread out your materials and work comfortably. Finally, personalize your space. Surround yourself with things that inspire you, such as motivational quotes, artwork, or photographs. Adding plants to your learning environment can also have a calming effect and improve air quality.